Hello everybody and welcome to We the Coasters. This is Dillon here checking in at SeaWorld Orlando today, and I gotta say, even from the traffic and everything coming through here, it is absolutely packed. This is actually the first time coming to the parks with the mask being optional. So as you know, some people are coming in with masks, some people are not, and a lot of people have been taking full advantage of it here. So of course you notice the lines here go from all the way down here, working its way around into this area, and then wraps around again to go through security check. So that's gonna be quite a ways to go on through. So this may take a few minutes to get through in the walking wise and all that, but man, it's gonna be one of those days. I can already tell. Oh boy. But I do want to say it is great to be back here because of the fact that I have not been here since January, and when that time happened, it was during the Seven Seas Food Festival that was going around. So you know, of course, as of doing this, which is May 22nd, it ended about a week ago, maybe 2 at the most, actually 8 days ago to be exact. So I wanted to come back here again when that happened, but unfortunately no luck whatsoever. So other than that, let's just see what's going on. Hopefully we get some updates also on Icebreaker while enjoying our day and see how it goes from there. So can't wait. So they've also finished painting the lighthouse too, which actually looked really good there. So I remember seeing them getting worked on a little bit ago. So we may have passed the security check. It looks like the wait to get in the park doesn't look too bad, but man, just getting through security, wow, it was crazy. Of course, no wait to get in through the lines, but another look through the lighthouse as we're walking through to get in, so we get a better view. And you can tell they did a nice work painting the lighthouse and everything. Looks fantastic. Great job by SeaWorld though. Got some work walls up on one of the shops over here. So they're doing some work over here. I think this was actually an ice cream place that was over here. We got another candy place right over here too. And then last time I was here, this area was actually closed, which was the dolphin nursery. But from what it looks like, it has reopened. So that was back in January I came, so that's at least good to see that they're at least doing some progress here. Here at Backwater Grill, you can look at Icebreaker from here. And mainly just from what I'm seeing out there, no progress. Thought there was gonna be some progress going on outside of, you know, testing, but doesn't look like it right now. So I kind of want to mention one thing too, is that over by, actually it was called Flamecraft Bar, my mistake, next to Seafire Grill. So we waited to get 2 drinks, which was a Coca-Cola and a Bud Light over there, and that took probably at least about 20 minutes. So make sure, you know, when you come here, make sure you plan your visit, because I mean, as the mask mandate is actually now optional, the lines are going to be massive. And I mean, both me and you have seen that, right? Yep. So I mean, that should just tell you alone. So no matter what, definitely plan your visit, because especially now that there's more people coming in now with this thing now optional, it's definitely going to mean a lot more people are coming, and the lines are going to be massive. Like you can see here, that's for coffee alone. So I mean, that's something to mention in general. I wanted to showcase another place to eat. It's Voyagers here. And this is where the line goes, past the Seaport Theater. That's a long wait just to get in there and fill to the brim. Then more lines over here. Don't get me wrong, in a way for SeaWorld, this is great to see, but at the same time, yikes. looks like Seafire Grill is getting a change. It's now called Lakeside Grill. So right now, currently closed, but interesting. Last time I came here, they closed this area off because they were working around this section of area here for the shark encounter. So they've got this fixed. And then the exit's still the same. They were here earlier, right where I'm walking, where they did the Seven Seas Food Fest, and they had a little bit of a show going on. Good to see it actually back open again. Probably check it out a little later. One ride I'm definitely looking forward to doing. I know it's going to feel weird ever since doing Velocicoaster do this, and I said that Mako beforehand was the best coaster in the state. But after doing Velocicoaster, now ready to do this. Let's see if anything changes. Well, I got some time to kill there for return time. Take a look at some of the fish around here. Manta rays, sharks. You can tell they changed the sign up around here. Way different than it was before.
Yeah. I'm serious.
So this is an area I could tell they definitely changed right here. They added more stuff about sharks right over here. So this is definitely brand new. I can tell I've never noticed this part before. A lot of stuff that's also considered interactives here. It changed for sure. Yeah, a lot of stuff that was like interactive, like way beforehand, definitely has changed. And then this, for the most part, has remained the same. But of course, because there's a lot of people, gotta wait a little bit to get into that too, so it may take a few seconds. Also, this is a little bit new here too. So it's got a lot of the different sharks that's shown here. Of course, they changed the social listening part from 6 to 3, but yeah, there ain't no way people are gonna listen to that anymore. Now the best part. Also, it was originally over here, and I guess I don't know if they screwed up or something.
This is just a human conveyor.
this has remained the same since. So that's pretty cool that everything around here is still about the same, but back there definitely has been some changes. Yeah, I want to point out one thing. Mako's great, but nowhere close to Velocicoaster. That is definitely on a league of its own. So time to do Infinity Falls. Nothing here to report on Icebreaker. Apparently, if you noticed there, they got the area covered off for the entrance and the exit. Still anticipate opening 2021, so we'll see what happens. Of course, the games are still not on because of the whole COVID out deal. This is just a line for Infinity Falls. I mean, this is crazy. At one point when we were here originally, went over to here. Now it's gone over there, but still 160 minutes on the wait time. Yikes. Heading over to Antarctica as Manta's going on by. But this is rather a surprise. Despite a crowded day at the parks, Antarctica and Empire of the Penguin, I'm surprised there isn't really long of a line. You'd think for a crowded day it would be, but guess not. So that's kind of very weird. I don't know how really to put it though. Of course, can't go without the day about doing the best combo rides out there. Journey to Atlantis and Kraken right down the corner over here. Also, you get a great view of Mako's turnaround right there. Yeah, it's tough what to choose with, so I'd say let's go with Journey to Atlantis, the Kraken. Kraken. You know, I'm amazed for Kraken standards. That was actually one of the good rides I've actually had in the later years of its running. I did row 7 for goodness sake, so should be not bad. Of course, a view of Mako right there. So very surprised with Kraken how it was actually running pretty good, despite for its age. That's at least good to know. Always great to do Journey to Atlantis there. And of course, now everything comes on by with the drop and everything. Even that drop. Still, that's a fantastic water ride. So I'm always glad to do this ride no matter what. It has to be on a recommendation. You can see that right there. Man, highly recommend it. Just make sure you don't come here when it's really, really hot. Otherwise, long wait time. And of course, we have to get you the part where it drops. So that's the true thing comes around there. Well guys, that'll do it here at SeaWorld Orlando. If you like what you do, follow us on our YouTube by hitting that subscribe button down below and hit the bell notification for any future uploads. And of course, follow us on our Instagram page down below too. Link is in the description down below. Until then, I will see you guys later. This is Dylan from the Coasters signing off today.